Hello, my name is Ashley Botten. This is Module 4 for Hillary Julian's Leadership and Teams course. In this project, I am tasked with recruiting employees for a 6-person team. It's a problem-solving team for recommending a new performance evaluation system. So what are the stages of building the team? So first is forming. Forming the team will meet, the team is going to meet and understand goals and objectives, learn about why they need to create a performance evaluation system, really understand why this is a task that we have to do. Understand what is failing from the old system and how to take the different backgrounds and how we'll all work together to reach the integral role within the team. And understanding what each person is doing. The project manager in this stage, I will be bringing the team together and helping to clarify questions the team members may have. The project manager, I will be working with them to bring them together and help them to see generally why they were brought together for this task, why each of them were specifically picked for this task. Next, the storming stage. This is a turbulent stage where team members compete for recognition in their ideas. They are competitive, possibly drawing up conflict. The team in this stage will learn how they work together and how they're going to work independently within to reach the goal. The team members will also learn what their specific roles are and gain a sense of responsibility within the group. The project manager within the stage needs to manage how the members work together, encouraging some to speak up more, while others need to be encouraged to listen more, ensuring all the team members are being heard and also are contributing to the team. It's really my job as the project manager to ensure that all voices are heard and all participants are getting equal participation. And are equally contributing, really. So the next stage is norming. And in this stage of building the effective team, the team starts to work together effectively. They're building the trust and working on problem and conflict resolution. In this stage, I will encourage the strengths to shine, creativity also. I'll motivate the members to reach new potential as well as manage the uneasy thought of new goals and expectations being brought to light. Things that may not have been noted before or are just being sprung upon the team from higher management. It's my job to bring them to the team and really helping them manage what that is. Excuse me. So the emotions start to level out in this stage, and I need to refocus the team to get the viable solutions for the performance appraisal system. Next is performing. More success happens in this stage. The members are functioning at higher levels. They're working effectively. They're remaining focused on their goals. They're problem solving quickly. I'm able to take a step back from managing so tightly, but instead oversee the group efforts and work as a middleman for executives to keep them informed on ideas, gain approval for innovative ideas for the new system, and really work to see how each part of the task is doing on their individual sections. And finally, adjourning. So this is where the team dissolves and the members go back to their regular duties. Project manager, myself, as well as other leaders and people who I have brought with on this journey, such as executives who were approving this process. We celebrate the success, take note of any best practices that we discovered throughout the process, especially myself. So the managers here, we are critical with leading the team through the process quickly and smoothly. This is a natural process, but the leaders need to be the one to guide through the stages. The norming stage is the most critical stage of the team development stages. This is where it is most likely to have a resolution to what the new performance evaluation system will be. But in the performing stage, that is where we're going to tweak it and really get what it is we're looking for. Internal dynamics and social roles. they include like commentators who are giving feedback when making decisions, the compromiser who may change their opinion or viewpoint for the betterment of the team, such as someone who is adamant that they have the best solution, who finally will go ahead and step back a little bit to compromise. The harmonizer also, they'll support and praise others, so to provide a sense of affirmation within the team members. Some external dynamics. Members can be external factors if myself, the leader, is not effective. The buffer will act as a filter for the team, protecting them from bad news or responses. A strategist will not only manage the external threats, but put a plan together to obtain resources from management. The coordinator, they coordinate the communication between the team members and clients or stakeholders, and the gatekeeper will help to regulate the flow of information in and out. Finally, the advisor will present preferential options to move forward with the goals in mind. The external roles within the team are more common when the project manager is not an effective leader. An effective leader will collaborate with the team, making decisions internally with the team and externally with the organizational leaders, drive productivity, creativity, and innovation. Handling the internal and external strategies will involve managers knowing who each team member is and how they impact the team. A hands-on approach will help to control any dynamic from getting out of hand, though. Get a little ahead of myself here. Okay, so let's see. So they need interpersonal skills, so they'll be able to be empathetic to why the leadership team does need this new system, but one that can also establish realistic goals and achievable evaluations, so the company can continue to develop their talent pool, rather than just telling employees they continually do not measure up. Objective and non-judgmental mindsets are necessary within the team. They are making a new system for the company. It needs to benefit all parties, not just the creators, not just the leadership. So having been on a team that has created a new policy or process is preferential. They will have a different technical skills, knowledge, and backgrounds, and there will need to be someone proficient in creating technical documents. Informal leaders who understand the need to have effective tools and evaluative teams in order to develop the team, and understanding evaluations can be used as coaching tools rather than just a pass-fail judgment. Move on to diversity. So diversity comes in various forms, so including education, experience, skill sets, cultural backgrounds, language, religion, socioeconomic status, geographical locations, and these people could be from similar or different departments within the organization. So ensuring that the team is diverse will benefit the team and alter the results. Having varying prior experience as leaders, as evaluators, and having different knowledge, skills, and abilities will ensure that the members are able to see things in different perspectives. Having members with different cultural and socioeconomic positions, both past and present, can impact how the teams think about who is being evaluated and the importance of what the new system becomes, as well as how it will affect every different position within the organization. Team effectiveness. So how to coach the team for effective performance and how to coach a 6-person team. So team coaching functions, coaching the team through education, motivation, consultation. The project manager, myself, I need to ensure that feedback is factual and task-based, eliminating the emotion from the moment. When I am coaching any member of the team, I need to think about what it is that I'm coaching about. So ensuring it's related to the task, not the way a team member is doing something. So I need to be aware that the most appropriate time and the specific time of the coaching intervention, it's going to have the greatest effect on them. So meaning that if there's a change on the project, immediate coaching needs to happen so that we're not wasting more time. However, if there's a new function to be considered or that will affect the team in the coming weeks, it's not a priority right now. This is something that, say it's Friday at 3 o'clock, we don't need to talk about it right then. I need to make a note and come back to it on Monday so the team has time to ask questions, consider it, determine if there's ways to get a better result, and really be able to keep that in their mindset. They're not ready thinking about the weekend. They're in work mode on Monday. So really making sure that if it's not something that's really critical and important, if it needs to wait, it can wait. Otherwise, taking care of it immediately. So really just being aware of the timeliness of the coaching. When there's coaching opportunities for the project as a whole, the team should be coached all at once so as to guarantee the same message is being given to all members of the team. If there's aspects that need coaching that only affect a piece of the project or individuals' levels of work and contribution, I need to take those appropriate people only to reduce confusion and increase productivity. Ensuring that I coach everyone at once will really make sure that they're getting the same information, they're hearing it with the same tone, and that if there's questions, they can all ask together. And some people may ask questions that others had too, but just didn't think of or realize that they had that question. So my recommendation, I suggest by reaching out with HR, I need to work with them to develop a list of potential team members, speak with their supervisors, not only interview the team members will be a critical step, but also those who have led that individual on a team, possibly other members that have worked, to see what they add to the dynamics of the and what the type of team player they are. And then carefully selecting team members based on experience, recommendation, project needs, ensuring that all the members selected have strong communication, interpersonal skills, as well as the technical expertise that we require. So when the team member is approached about the position within the team, I need to ensure that speaking to them about the technical aspects as well as how they personally work with the teams to accomplish goals and handle stress and deadlines. As the project manager, continuous coaching and communication is needed. I need someone who is able to maintain focus, mediate between, I will be mediating between upper management and team members to ensure that we can motivate the team, drive higher performance, all while gracefully guiding the team through the different stages of the team and the project at hand. So that is my my recommendation for putting the 6-person team together to create a new performance evaluation for this organization.